Another fine vehicle offered by Jim Keim Ford.
This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Expedition, a vehicle with safety, comfort, and space. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, adjustable driver pedals, and this vehicle has less than 38,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Jim Keim Ford is located at 5575 Keim Circle in Columbus. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.